Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
I think there's a private garden right there. Okay, so we got some artwork right here. Let me see. Let's see if we can find the artist. Macau Tower in the background. Some of those tiles up here. And I don't know much about this place. (1868) Cafe. I'm not sure if I've filmed this or not. It's a little plaza de Lobo de Ávila. You got a bus stop over here, and then you got Navan Lake directly over that way. And what we're gonna do is just kind of walk directly down this area and just kind of show you what it all looks like. We did another one over there with this going. We went up the hill and back down again, but we're just gonna stay tuned right in this area and give you a little idea what this all looks like. So stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so I guess we'll start. Pretty cool balconies. We're gonna come back to our street in a moment. But I'm just gonna walk down it slightly. And this street right here, there's a governor's mansion, that pink one. And this is also called Avenida Praia Grande. You can see the street sign right there. So this is where the Big Beach Road used to be historically, which would have been reclaimed, and now there's a lake over there. So this little plaza that we're walking on, Praça de Lobo de Ávila, is basically where the Big Beach Road ends. Okay. So now we have the Macau Tower in the background, straight ahead. And I think what I'm gonna do is, I guess we'll just stick with where we are, right on this little street right here. Since I believe this is part of the Praça. And I'm just gonna come around like this. And let me just see. Got some giant pillars in here. Let me just try to give some context to where we are. Looks like this goes into a little bit of a, let me walk down a little bit. I think there's a private garden right there. Which looks like it goes into this building. That's our space down that way. And then this one is a little, it says it's got its like stairwell. Kind of tempted to go up that way, but this is actually our target right here. With the whiskey. I'm gonna come over to this area. I want to capture what's on that sign on the building, but I think actually this little area is all part of our plaza. Pretty cool looking buildings though. And I want to check and see what's little green thing is because it probably fell over during a typhoon and then they prop it up like that. Okay, so we got some artwork right here. Let me see. Let's see if we can find the artist. It's kind of blue, like a chinnery, but it looks like it's a different artist altogether. They got some more on this side too. There's the artist right there. So this was made in 2022. So it kind of has this like George Chinnery style, which is a very famous watercolorist, and some of his artwork is also in the city too. But this one says 2022. This one I didn't see the author anywhere, but I'm assuming it's going to be the same author. You see on this side we have some more artwork up at the top, up that way. And it's just like a little recycling. So, okay. And then we're gonna keep on going. And then we got kind of a, this is called the Ricci building, You can see Macau Tower in the distance. You can also see some nice looking trees too. So we're still on our little plaza. Macau Tower in the background. Some of those tiles up here. And I don't know much about this place. (1868) cafe. Okay. Former Ricci College primary. This used to be a primary school, maybe? Okay, so it looks like we have another little side street up this way, and I believe that that would be all of our Praça, and then this would be a separate street altogether right there. So I will probably film this street separately. That's part of this college. Huh. So you got a wine shop right here, and then I also saw a whiskey one. So we're still on our Praça as well. Plaza, Praça. This one had this used to be called Mugs, and then it turned into the Green Parrot, and now it's called Number 16 Kitchen. That looks like green salsa. Salsa verde. Huh. So it could be kind of tasty. Okay. Honey's Toy. And this one is a whiskey boutique. And then we are going to go back into our plaza. Try to give the full context. There it is right there. So yeah, this little plaza, like right on the, it's like nice and breezy here too. Some cool looking buildings, tall buildings, and then you just walk across here and you can go to the waterfront over that way. And on that note, we're gonna end our video. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado, la